In this video, we're going to be talking about energy flows. So I have used energy in the last kind of 5 years when I first started learning about it to receive clients, to receive money, to enhance relationships, to create relationships, and to connect to my children. So my first question to you is what is it that you are really desiring to create and to bring into your reality? Quite often we will say freedom, financial freedom, more ease, more time, more space to do what I want to do. And that is all very grand and glorious, but we have to actually ask specifically, what are some of those things that we're desiring? Because if you are asking for freedom, you can put that out to the universe and you can say, I am desiring freedom and I'm going to trust that the universe will bring it to me. But because it's so broad, the energy of the vibration, that frequency that you're holding will go up to the universe or out or down or out and around to the universe to put that intention out, and then you will receive that. But it could come in the form of or losing your job and having all the freedom in the world of time, but then maybe a lack of money, or maybe a relationship falls apart and then you've got all the space and time in the world and freedom. So we want to be specific and really tap into the vibration of that freedom. If we're talking about freedom, right? We want to really tap into that vibration of how it feels for what you were choosing, what that bank account looks like if we're talking about money. So when you say you want freedom with money, how does that look? Does that mean you have a lot of it? So then all of a sudden you get extra work thrown at you and then all of a sudden your freedom of time goes away? Or does it mean that you have this harmony within money? So your savings account starts filling up, like your honoring account, right? Your family account, your business account, your mortgage gets paid off. You start receiving wealth in different ways, like cars might be given to you, or your inheritance might be given to you, or you might win lotto. So we need to get more specific when we're asking for things, so then the frequency, the vibration, the echo of our language going out to the universe can go, oh, thank you very much. So you've just asked for freedom without sacrifice. So you want more money in your bank, you want to have more time with your loved ones, plus you're requiring space for yourself. Okay, cool. How can that look? So the universe will start creating, along with your higher self and your beings and your spirit team and your spirit guides, start creating this kind of what you're asking for. Like it's near like a blueprint that they create and go, here, there you go. You asked for it. Your wish is my command, Genie in the bottle. So when I started playing with this energy, I started understanding the concept that if I wanted money, I could get it, and then I'd get more clients come in. But then I felt lack in my love life and with my parenting and with my friendships and with my body. And I was like, So then I started, looking at all the different areas of what I wanted in life and going, okay, so I want all of these different areas to be in harmony with each other. I desire the money, I desire the space, I desire the parenting and the friends and the time alone and with my partner. And also I want to be able to do this all where I have the ultimate freedom to travel. And what that looks like is I have no set abode. I can just jump in the car and leave whenever I want. I create this life by design. So can you see how just putting one word into the energy that I'm creating, which was freedom, had so many different layers to it. Okay. So when it comes to creating more with energy, we must feel into our body, feel into what we're truly desiring, see if this is in alignment with our soul. So get those intuitive hits. And then whether you're a non-specific manifestor or whether you're a specific manifestor, this is where you will know whether you are here to write it all down or just to feel it. I'll see you soon.